This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer Light 24 MLDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 6, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, oven, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, microwave, water heater, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer Light 24 MLDS is 7,975 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.